Weapon maintenance is important. Doing it at home with an extensive cleaning kit is important, but also being able to do it in the field or on the range, on the fly per se, in a small kit is something we also deem valuable. Now, what we have here is the T.REX Arms Rifle Cleaning Kit. What's in this kit is some parts that we assembled ourselves, or we kind of picked out ourselves, and we sell all of these parts individually and also as a kit that'll come with this Magpul DAKA pouch. So what you get in the kit is you'll get a lens brush. So if you're wondering why you would want a lens brush in your kit, this is really for cleaning dust or debris off of your lenses. So the reason why you want a specific brush for this, especially when you're spending a lot of money on expensive optic, is dust will scratch your lens. So this is a good way to just remove that dust without scratching anything. You'll have a standard rifle cleaning brush. These are expendable, they're cheap, so don't expect this to last forever. But like I said, all of these parts are sold individually. We have a rifle cleaning rod. If you notice, we don't have any cleaning patches that come with this or any attachments for this. We're actually including this as kind of a tool. So this would be really for clearing stuck casings in your barrel or clearing obstructions in your barrel. Say you like trip and fall in the mud, you get a bunch of debris in there. This would be what you would use to remove that quickly. Next, we will have a bore snake. All these parts, by the way, are from Clean Bore. This bore snake is for 5.56. 22 cal. Don't try and put a 7.62 in your 5.56 gun, it'll get stuck and you'll have a bad time. And then lastly, what we have is Clean Bore CLP with a needle applicator, and we have a cleaning rag. So again, this is something that's also expendable. It's going to be used up, but these actually last a little bit longer than you'd think they would. So that is the T.REX Arms Rifle Cleaning Kit. If you guys have any questions regarding this kit, how to use any of this stuff, go ahead and email us at team@trexsarms.com.